Well, check out the barn find, man. The barn find square body. Now, why do I say it's a barn find? Well, I think you don't get this collection of dust when it's sitting outside. This sat in some building somewhere, shed or something, for probably a decade. As I see over there, the registration over there, that sticker said '08, so a little over a decade. It's an '83 Silverado. Long bed, but you know, fairly straight. Damage to the grill there. Took a little love tap right there. Door, it's got a ding on it. You could pop that out, I bet. It's a shallow dent. Bet that probably will pop out. I think the bed's pretty straight. Tailgate's not in bad shape either. That's where it came from originally. Sulphur Springs, Texas. What's that, Gover and Merrill? You can tell, man, this thing, a lot of poop, a lot of poop. Hood ornament's still decent. Little ding there, but overall the bed's pretty straight. You know, as popular as these trucks are, man. Eesh, look at that. Ugh. I think all the glass is good. Yeah. Well, let's look under the hood real quick. Poops in here too. Ugh. Yeah. Man, what is this? What is that? I need something to get something to scrape that with. I don't want to scrape that with my finger. .5.0, 305. She's all there, man, but ugh. You can see the VIN on that. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see that VIN, unfortunately. What about here? Maybe. You kind of see it, I think. Oops. On the inside, she's just as lovely as she is on the outside. That's inviting. That is inviting. Get this cobweb out of the way here. These spider webs. Oh, look at that spider, look at that spider. Oh, my bad. You can build another one. That's all the keys in there. I see keys. And it's an '83 Silverado. There are the keys for it. The dash has a crack, I see. Another one over there. But overall, not bad. Gauges are still there, so you can get that mileage. See that mileage? In the back. Ooh, got some new plates there. Yeah, power locks, power windows. Actually, I bet these door panels will probably clean up good. Go around the other side real quick and wrap it up. Side mirrors are good. Look at that. Actually, yeah, the glass. No, I take that back. The front windshield is cracked. I can see it on this side. It's a CB radio. That radio still, the original radio still there. Yeah. Cars and kids. Cars for kids. I don't know what the deal is with that. Ooh, and we still got the. Look at that. We still got the. Oh, so there we get a VIN, and there's the SPID on it, or the RPO codes. For those that like to check that out. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Alright, man. Not much else. Maybe they were giving this truck away or something, you know, at one point. What's this? Texas Rangers. I bet this seat's probably in good shape too, maybe. Alright, man. That's gonna wrap it up. So what was she? Black, red stripe, and a pinstripe, and then a two-tone with the silver on the top. There it is, man. Barn find. Yeah. I bet she's solid underneath too. Alright, man, on to the next one.